Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders just released their wax seal collection. There are so many fun products that are part of this collection, and many of them can be used without doing the wax sealing if that's not your thing. The first item is their wax seal kit. So this includes everything you'll need to get started other than the tea light. It comes in this nice box. There's a little pull tab on the side. So we'll just pull that out. The first item is a silicone work mat. This is 10 inches by 7 inches. It's nice to have the work mat. That way you don't get wax all over your crafty area. Next is the wax bead warmer and also the wax bead warmer spoon. This is where you'll put your little wax beads. And you'll place the warmer on top of a tea light. The starter kit does include 100 gold wax beads, but there are lots of other colors available. And they're stored in a cute little plastic box. The last item that's included in the starter kit is the exclusive wax seal. It's nice and sturdy, it has a wood handle and the brass seal, and it has the sentiment "for you." And this seal stamp is not available for individual purchase. It only comes with the starter kit. Now there are lots of other wax seal stamps that you can purchase. I have 4 others to show. The first one is sending a hello. I always like to use the hello sentiment. I have Merry Christmas, a solid 1-inch circle, and also Mystic Butterfly. And all of their wax seal stamps include the wooden handle. I selected 3 other wax bead colors. I have teal, pearl white, and also fuchsia. I think all 3 of these colors will look beautiful together or used by themselves. I think they'll also work nicely with the gold that's included in the starter kit. Each bag includes 100 wax beads. Now moving on to some dies and stamps that you can use with or without the new wax seal product. The first die set is called Sealed Squiggles. There are 4 different pieces and they look sort of like floral picks. I think these will be so much fun to use. Now I don't have the packaging for all of the products. Sometimes that's just how I receive it from Spellbinders, but when you place an order you will receive the packaging. The next die set is called Sealed Leaf Sprigs. There are 3 dies included. I think these will work really nicely with the previous dies. The next die is called Sealed Twine. I think this one will be really popular. It has the circle on one end, and that's where you will add your wax seal. And it has all the thin lines coming out from that circle. So it will create the look of twine wrapping around your card, but really you're just using cardstock or pattern paper. You could also add a sentiment or image on that circle instead of the wax seal. The next die set is called Sealed Christmas Tree Squiggle. There are 4 dies included. We have the tree, the top portion of the tree, and also stars and ornaments. Next we have Sealed Holiday Squiggles. More of the floral pick look. We have a snowflake, a star, and a bow. There are also several new hot foil plates. I selected 2 backgrounds to use. The first one is a wood grain background. I love the look. The next hot foil plate is called Geometric Optical. Really fun design. And there's also a coordinating stencil set. This is a layering stencil set. There are 4 stencils included. I'll open it up so you can see all the different layers. And you could use some of the layers separately. I think it would create a really fun background. But it'll also work along with the hot foil plate. The next item is a stamp set called Sealed Sentiments. There are lots of great sentiments on this set that you can use year-round. We have You Melt My Heart, Sending Strength, Handmade with Love, You're a Great Friend, Wishing You All the Best, Be Well My Friend, Wish Big Today, On Your Special Day, You Are Golden, Have a Wonderful Day, A Little Message to Say, Here's to Another Year, and there are several others. Next up we have some black and white brushed cardstock. These both have a beautiful shimmery finish on them. I have just a couple sheets, but it is available in a 10-pack. And both of them are 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There are also some beautiful A2 size envelopes with that brushed cardstock look. We have gold, silver, navy, black, and rose gold. And these do come in a 10-pack. The final item I received is a metallic paint marker. This is the rose gold color, and you'll use this to add some beautiful metallic highlights to your wax seals. It's also available in gold and silver. I'm really excited to get started on all of these products. I've never done wax sealing before, so this will be my first time. If you are interested in any of the products or you want to check out the rest of the collection, I do have links provided in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card video using this fun collection. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.